another episode of LesBcookin808. Today we're going to make egg batter fish. And with this you can kind of use mahi or opa or swai. In this case we're going to use swai, S-W-A-I. So it comes frozen in the individual package. You went ahead and defrosted it. And we are going to just cut them in manageable pieces. Like that. Okay, so we did it to all the fillets. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and season it. Put it in some potato starch. Some people use cornstarch, some people use flour. I like potato starch. And then dip it in the egg batter and then put it in a pan. Go ahead and season it with salt and then pepper. Again, to your liking. And this time we're going to use garlic powder. If you don't like garlic powder, you don't have to use it. Again, I like garlic. And then we're going to do the same for the next side. Dredge it in the potato starch, put it in the egg wash, put it in the oil. And it's gonna cook really quick. This is a type of fish that doesn't take too long to cook. That's the temperature, it's like a little above medium. And so when it's about this color, you go ahead and just flip it. Again, this fish doesn't take much time to cook. And it stays moist. It doesn't get dried when you cook it. Easy fish to cook with.